Southwest 2447, 360.
Hi, Dick Rochfort here, aboard 464 Papa Alpha. We're on our way into Gillespie at San Diego, and we've loaded up the localizer Delta. This approach is a little tricky. If you've flown it before, you know. It's quite steep at the end. But today the weather's good, and we don't expect to have any problems with our minimums today. One of the problems is getting the vertical navigation right and not getting caught, not getting stuck too high and too fast. So we take 10 knots off the approach speeds, and we do that by getting gear and flaps a little early. More about that later. The other thing we can do to set this up is make sure that we're crossing Barrett at the correct altitude. And according to the chart, 5900 is correct. Blue is true, white is right in the G1000 system. We've asked for direct Barrett and for the localizer Delta a little early and got it approved because we're minimum fuel. Perfectly safe with an hour reserve, but we want to preserve it, so we've asked direct Barrett Loc D, and we were given something very close to that, which will work just fine. So here's the trick. Once you want a vertical nav inside the approach, Garmin doesn't want to give it to you. So the trick is, instead of setting the VS to the target that you want, which won't populate the VS required, dial down the VS to target. It will populate the VS required. Other thing I recommend you do is put the VSR up here in the marquee so that that's available to you even if you leave the plan page. Having said that, we know we want to be at 59. We know we're min fuel, so we plan to wait the vertical speed to build to 1,000 feet per minute, and then we'll use an expedited descent to preserve fuel as well. This is strictly a standard procedure for minimizing fuel use, something that I do routinely on the North Atlantic. It's quite safe, providing you have your rules, which we do. Once we get to 5900 at Barrett, we're going to want to preserve our speeds by using flaps, gear and flaps perhaps a little early, but we get down 1,000 feet lower here, another 900 feet here, and we want to be just a little bit slower at Samos. Since VFR, we can get away with that. So when I say slower, I mean 110, 120 knots. And then once we get 2700 at Debbie, we have to put the nose down. We need to be in the white arc and be able to get full flaps with a runway in sight at that time. We plan to ask for the visual so that we're not constrained strictly on these, but I'd like to fly that profile if I can, just to show the viewers, your viewers, what this incredibly capable aircraft can do for you. Stay tuned. Dick Rochfort, fly safely. Train off it.